Baking is a great activity to add a lot of different preschool skills in one simple activity. We are going to do not just the baking, but we're also going to involve them from beginning to end. And that means we're going to go to the grocery store, we're going to buy the supplies, we're going to go home and we're going to do it together. We're going to let them do as much as them possible and we're going to be there to assist. Today we are reading a beautiful fall story called Amelia's Pedalias. And at the end of the book, there is a recipe to make apple pie. And in order to make this experience even better, we're going to meet at the grocery store where we're going to buy the ingredients that our book shows us at the end for the recipe. I have a few things at home already, like the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the flour, but we are definitely missing the apples, which is the most important part. So let's go to the store and let's make this an interactive learning experience from beginning to end. The grocery store offers a great opportunity to add a lot of math skills. In this case, I'm going to be working on number recognition and one-on-one correspondence, which means they have to match one item to one number. So let's see how I did that. One, give me 5. 2. De esta. 3. 4. 5. Yay! Which lane we're gonna pay? Which one has the light?
This one.
What number is that?
4.
What? 4?
Sí.
4. So let's go to number 4.
Right to big.
We're gonna make the crust. That's the bottom of the pie. 1.